By the way, it is Lifesaver. Hello, tiny reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing Lifesaver's Gummy Collisions. 2 flavors in 1. Raspberry lemonade, cherry watermelon, and pineapple punch. Artificially flavored, preserving stuff. On the back side, there are the nutrition facts and ingredients. It contains bioengineered food ingredient. There's a mini comic saying, because there's a flavor called cherry watermelon, and this guy's saying, my dad was cherry and my mom was watermelon. And the other guy, which is pineapple punch, is saying, interesting couple. And the cherry watermelon is saying, you don't know. He said, you don't know the half of it. Basically saying that you don't know the half of it because it's cut in half. Anyhow, it's a pun. Let me rip this open. Or should I just rip it? It's like the easiest way to open things. It's actually pretty small, by the way. Cutting in half basically means that you're going to see half of it. Should we sort them? No, let's just eat it. Let's eat this one first. Pineapple punch. The yellow is pineapple and the blue is punch. It's really soft. Cherry watermelon. It looks like Christmas. I like that one. Raspberry lemonade. Yellow is yellow isn't raspberry. Yellow is lemonade and red is raspberry. Lemonade. I don't taste raspberry. My dad's overall rating is 4. Let's do a basic rating. Oh wait, my overall rating is 4. My first place is this one. My dad's first place is, my second place is this one. And my third place is this one. My dad's second place is this one. Okay, this one. And then his probably last place is this one. Anyway, to my mom and for me. Because I need energy. I don't smell anything, but she says the smell is not great. I don't know what she means by the smell, but well, by the way, it is Lifesaver. Well, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button and meet me again on this brown silicone pad table. And I'll see you again in my videos. Bye!